Did you know that poetry and mathematics have a shared history woven together through time? Discover this fascinating connection in Lilavati Poetry Writing Workshop inspired by the poetic puzzles of Bhaskaracharya's Lilavati. Join us for a fun and interactive exploration that blends ancient wisdom, storytelling, and beauty of numbers. Workshop will focus on poetry in education and Indian knowledge systems, an introduction to Lilavati as a mathematical masterpiece, the surprising poetry and mathematics around the world, and a creative project to bring it all together. As a bonus, receive a free PDF compilation of Lilavati competition puzzles from 2023. This exciting workshop is for ages 8 to 18 years, happening on May 17th and 18th, 2025, with convenient timings for participants in India, the US, the UK, Europe, Singapore, and Philippines. The workshop fee is just $10 per participant, and membership discounts will apply. Register now. Scan the QR code or visit www.instavm.org. Get ready to rhyme with reason. See you all soon.